Hi, I'm Mike Foster, Chief Executive of Energy Utilities Alliance, which is a trade association working in the energy sector. I want to talk really about what's known in the energy world as the trilemma, which is how to balance the challenges that the UK government faces in delivering our energy needs. It's about making sure we meet our international climate change obligations. It's about keeping costs down to consumers, and it's also about managing security of supply. And in dealing with that trilemma, it's becoming increasingly obvious that there is and is going to be a long-term future for the gas industry and gas as a fuel of choice, partly driven by the fact that nearly 9 out of 10 homes in this country use gas as their primary source of heating, and about half the homes in the country use gas for cooking. And one of the other challenges that the UK faces in dealing with this trilemma is how to cope with seasonal demand for gas, particularly when it's used for heat. As you know, we've got 6 months of the winter, we have 6 months of the summer, and if we were to deliver all our energy based on electricity production, it will be very expensive for that capacity to sit idle for 6 months when it wasn't needed. Whereas with gas, it's a medium that can be stored quite easily and then used when the seasonal demand requires it. And in the winter, 4/5 of our total energy consumed in this country is made of gas. Now, where the water industry fits in this is actually quite interesting, because in trying to meet the climate change obligations that this country signed up to, there is increasing scope for gas to be decarbonised, to be made greener. And one of the ways in which the energy industry, working with the water industry, is doing this is through biomethane and injecting the gas that's produced from sewerage works directly into the grid. It's not new technology, it's been around a while. Certainly for people of my generation, living where I do in Worcester, we had a swimming pool that was heated from gas produced by the nearby sewerage works. So it's not rocket science, but it makes an important contribution to decarbonising the gas that we use domestically and in commercial buildings. And that way, we think it will contribute to the long-term future of the gas industry in the UK, but importantly, the long-term future to meet our international climate change obligations, keep energy bills down, and ensure we have security of supply.